Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start zone cleaning on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, tap on zone right here at the top. Now it will automatically create a zone that you can resize and move. If you want, you can add more zones. This means only the selected zones will be cleaned and the robot will omit the unselected areas. You can change the amount of cycles of cleaning to 1, 2, or 3, which means the robot will repeat the cleaning the set amount of times. You can select Clean Genius, although in Clean Genius you cannot use zone. You can just select rooms. So go back to zone and you can customize the cleaning settings. So you can go to cleaning settings and change the cleaning mode to vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming. In those modes, you can select quiet, standard, turbo, or max suction power, and in some modes you can enable max plus to increase the suction power to the highest possible level. You can change the mop wetness, mop washing frequency, which means after a certain area, after a certain time, or after each room, the robot will return to the dock station to clean the mops automatically. Then you can change the route to quick or standard, and in some modes you can also set it to intensive or deep. Then you can start cleaning by tapping on clean. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.